This video will show you how to use Self-Control app to improve productivity on a Mac computer. Self-Control is a simple app to help users stay focused. It can block certain websites for a period of time that you set. You can add specific websites to block. There is also an allow list mode, which blocks all websites except the ones you add. Once the blocking starts, you can't stop it and have to wait until the time period ends. However, if a certain website is on the block list, the other sites that use the same server will also be blocked, even if they are not on the list. To only block the unwanted websites and get features such as schedule and Pomodoro timer, check out System Focus. In System Focus, you can create focus plans. For a plan, you can add both apps and websites to block. You can block specific websites, pages, URLs with certain words, and categories of sites. The allow list mode allows you to block all websites except a few. You can also import a list of websites to block. You can run your focus plan for a period of time, or based on the Pomodoro method, or based on your schedule. Here I will run it for a minute. As you can see, YouTube is blocked. Here I will stop the focus plan early. It's unblocked. There are several options to run your focus plan. You can customize under the Rule Type tab. To prevent a focus plan from being stopped early, you can enable the hardcore mode or password mode, depending on the need. This way, one can force oneself to stick to the focus plan. System Focus also has a statistics feature, which gives daily, weekly or monthly statistics on how your screen time is spent. System Focus is an easy-to-use and powerful app. You can find official free trial download in the description section below. Thanks for watching.